Hello friends, hope so everyone is well and staying at home. So welcome to my channel. I am Bhagyashri and my today's video topic is related to how to enroll free online courses on Udemy website. So Udemy is the very popular website for online courses all over the world. So today's video is related to how to enroll free online courses. So it's a very simple procedure, but for that you have to watch my complete video to understand the procedure. And friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like my video then you can press like button. So now let's get started. Okay, so open your web browser, enter the name udemy.com. You can see the web page. Then on your right hand side there are two options, login and sign up. If you are new user, you have to sign up your account first. I have my account, so I need to log in my account by entering email ID and password and press login. You can see here, this is my personal account. So we are going to search for free courses. So enter name free courses. So you can see here different categories of free courses available on website. So if you want to select the specific topic, then you can select here. Now you can see only a Python free online courses on Udemy website. So I am going to select any random course just like this, Python programming fundamental. So you can see the course preview over here, and if you like the course preview then you can go ahead for enroll now button. So here is the rating and number of students enrolled for the course. So go ahead for enroll now. Now you can immediately start your course from here by pressing start course. Now you are ready to do your course here. Here is the course content and this is the description about the course. So enjoy your course friend. Thank you so much for watching my video, and friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.